Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel again. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. That way y'all can become a part of the cutie clique and be notified right when my videos are posted so you don't miss one thing. This channel, y'all can definitely stay in touch with the new trending hairstyles and things like that. So if you're interested, definitely follow my channel. So let's get right into it. This video is in collaboration with Shake and Go Freetress, and this is the hair I was sent to show you guys. So I'm pretty sure you have already heard of this hair. However, I did want to give it a try. So these are crochet faux locks, and y'all like, okay, this has been done before, but wait. Freetress Shake and Go has come up with this new technology. It's called wrap and lock, okay? So if you ladies are interested in the individual lock method, this product is for you. And it's for you even if you just are interested in the regular crochet version and you want a more natural and realistic look to the front of your hair, which is what I did. Now, the other videos I've seen of girls, they did the individual lock method throughout their whole head, but I did not have time for that. And I know that can be very time consuming, but kudos to the women that have done it. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. And it's more versatile. Yes, you can put it in buns, you can split it down the middle, and it looks so realistic, like you sat for hours to get actual faux locks. But I didn't have time to do that. So I did use this method where my hair is braided down in the back, and it's the traditional cornrow and crochet method in the back, but I just did one row of singles in the front, and that saved me so much time. I literally got done with this style within like an hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, so that saved me so much time doing it that way. The traditional crochets in the back, and then the wrap and lock version up at the front. So let me get right into it. So the majority of my hair is has the Starla Loc installed, 18 inches. This is how long the 18-inch is on me. Of course, these are a little bit longer. So the one without the curl is the Starla Loc. The one with the curl, which is this, it actually has, the lock has an actual curl pattern to it, as well as curly hair at the bottom, which is really, really beautiful. That one is the Hipsta lock, color 1B for both of them. And the length is 18 inches for both of them. So this one, the Starla Loc, looks a little longer, I guess because it's not curly, and the Hipsta lock is this one right here. So Hipsta lock and Starla Loc. Oh gosh, I keep grabbing Hipsta lock. Ah. So this one is Starla and this one is Hipsta. So really, really beautiful hair. Now I'm going to get into the differences between Starla and Hipsta. So the difference between Starla, of course, it does not have curly hair at the end. Hipsta lock does. And another thing that I noticed is Starla Loc, the one without the curl, has a much wider loop. So this one is good if you're just going to do, the method in the back. Now, why would you buy the wrap and lock technology if you're not doing the wrap and lock individuals? I wouldn't. If you don't plan on doing the individual wrap style in the front, don't buy the one with the wrap and lock because you won't have any use for it. So if you're doing the regular crochets without the individual, don't buy the wrap and lock because you won't need the wrap piece. But if you are planning on doing the wrap in the front, then yes, these are useful. Now this one has a bigger hole, a bigger loop per se, and this one has a very tiny, tiny hole. So out of both of these two, I definitely recommend Hipsta because the hole is so small, it's easier to hide, like if that makes sense. The loop that you're going to be looping, the tool through, the loop is so small and neat. That's what I really like about this. This one was a little bit more wider and kind of fuzzier and kind of easier to make look fuzzy. So out of both of these, I definitely recommend I recommend the Hipsta lock out of both of them if I'm going to give you a choice. Both of them are beautiful, but I like how small the loop is on Hipsta lock. So hopefully that helped, and hopefully those images were clear. So Hipsta and Starla. I recommend Hipsta. So this style was very easy. Now I did have to cut the wrap piece off of the Starla Loc. I cut the wrap part off of the ones that I put back here. I cut it off because I really didn't need it until I got to this area. So that's one kind of downfall. If you want to buy just one pack with the wrap and lock just to do the individuals in the front, I would suggest that. You don't need the wrap throughout the whole head. But my experience with the wrap is wonderful. I think it does look so much more realistic, like an actual lock. So basically I did my whole head. I had one pack of the curly. I had one pack of the Hipsta. It gives it that bohemian look. I decided to kind of mix that in. So one pack of the Hipsta, and I used 6 packs of the Starla. So 6 packs of the Starla, and I have 2 packs of Starla left. So I used 6 packs of the Starla and then 1 pack of the curly Hipsta lock. And basically I just did triangle parts. Now back here, my cornrows are at an angle. I always braid at an angle. Like angle back. I never braid straight back. It just gives it a more realistic look. And when I put them back, I don't know, it just looks better to me when the cornrows are at an angle. So these locks are really, really high quality. They are not unraveling at all. But when you do need to unravel them, like at the front when you're trying to hide your own cornrow, they do open easy. They open easy enough to hide your own hair within them, and then you can kind of twist them back closed, if that makes sense. Now, one thing I don't like about the wrap is, and it's just user error, I can't seem to wrap it tight enough for it to kind of stay. So I'm not sure what to do with this end. Like this one I didn't wrap right at all. And it really depends on the direction you're wrapping. So you have to play with the direction, because if you twist one way, the hair will stay. If you twist another way, the hair will totally.
So okay guys, I'm going to do a voiceover on this part because my audio cut out and I'm not sure why, but I'm just showing you all another example on how you are supposed to properly wrap the hair. And like I said before, you do have to play with the direction. So if you see it turning into like a 2-strand twist, then that's the wrong way. And then all you have to do is just start over, unravel it, and start wrapping it the right way, the opposite way. And you're going to definitely see a difference on how the twist is laying. So right now I'm just playing with the direction, and now you're going to kind of see I'm in a rhythm of wrapping away from my face. Definitely notate in your mind, either you're wrapping away from your face or towards your face. So this side right here, the best way for me to wrap is back toward away from my face. So I'm wrapping away from my face, and you can see it's definitely smoother, and it's not it's looking better, and it's not unraveling. It's not giving that 2-strand twist type of look. So this was the right way for this particular braid. Some braids it may be the opposite way, so you just have to play around with it. Now that I got to the end, I'm kind of twisting it really hard because I'm not really sure what to do with this fuzzy part of the kinky wrap. So that part looks great, but at the bottom, I'm not really sure what to do with it.
Or not, like this one's literally probably not wrapped in the right direction either, but this one is. But I'm just not sure how to handle this fuzzy piece at the end, the little kinky piece that's left over. But as you can see, there is a big difference on the way you wrap it. And I'm gonna have to go back and fix that one. But overall, if you guys are doing the individual method all throughout your hair, this is a great option. Like I'm really, really loving it. And I'm loving this look, and I love the look of a little bit of the curliness that the Hipsta lock is giving the whole style. So I'm really, really feeling it, you guys. I'm going to a theme park this weekend, so this is going to be my little theme park style. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to wake up and do anything to my hair, and it's really, really beautiful. These are some high quality locks, you guys. So let me show you another piece, a piece of the hair again. Now this is what I'm referring to. Now this piece I couldn't use because the kinky piece was like down too low. But this is the Starla Loc. You see how big that loop is and how loose it is? This is Starla, the one without the curly. This is Starla. And I wish I had one of the Hipsta locks to show you the difference, but this is Starla. This one is going to get a lot fuzzier. So these are good for the back. These are good for the back if you're just doing the traditional crochet. They're good for the back, but you just have to cut the kinky piece off. Guys, I don't know what happened to this piece. It's supposed to be way up here. But it's supposed to be like that. But yeah, I would suggest these back here because it makes it easier and quicker for you to do it. And then I recommend Starla up front. But yeah, the wrap technology is really, really innovative. It makes the knot look more realistic and natural, and it hides that kind of bump, the traditional bump kind of look. If y'all did do the crochet method, the individual method in the front, it kind of hides that unnatural knot. So this is really, really innovative and smart, and it just makes for a great summer style, either individuals all over or crochets in the back. So that's all, you guys. I didn't want to make the video too long. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and definitely check out this hair if you guys want some easy faux locks for this summer. This is a great method, and you can make little cute styles out of it, of course. Do your half up, half down. You know, you can't put them all in a ponytail just the way I did it because I have cornrows in the back, but really, really nice style and really, really innovative products. So definitely check out the links below. Visit my Instagram page, which is cutie_pie_hair, for all more pictures and information. And definitely check out my links below to my Amazon storefront and to my wig sale shop if you guys are interested. So once again, thanks so much, Freetress Shake and Go, for reaching out to me. This is a really, really great, innovative product, and I hope you guys check it out. I will do individual locks on my whole head coming soon, and they will be really, really long, and they will be wrap and lock, okay? I think this is such a great product, and I definitely recommend it. Give it 2 thumbs up. So definitely check out Freetress Shake and Go on Instagram as well. Hit that subscription box. Leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you're feeling this style. All right, thanks so much for stopping by, you guys. Bye.